Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve system design with Uber easy tutorial step by step clearly. To improve system design using Uber's approach, start by understanding the key concepts. Begin by researching Uber's architecture and services. Identify the core functionalities Uber offers, such as ride-hailing and food delivery. Analyze how these services handle scalability to manage millions of users. Next, explore the microservices architecture Uber employs. Break down how microservices allow independent deployments and updates. Study the role of APIs in facilitating communication between services. Observe how Uber uses event-driven systems for real-time processing. Examine the data storage solutions they implement for large datasets. Look into the use of caching to enhance performance and reduce latency. Consider how load balancing is applied to distribute traffic effectively. Review Uber's approach to fault tolerance and failover mechanisms. Investigate their strategies for ensuring security and data privacy. Study how Uber utilizes machine learning for predictive analytics. Explore the various monitoring tools they integrate for system performance. Finally, apply these insights to your own system design projects. Create a blueprint that incorporates these best practices. Evaluate and iterate on your design based on user feedback and performance metrics. By following these steps, you can enhance your system design significantly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.